Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are going to go over how to install LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, let's get straight into it. But first, I guess I should explain what LUTs are for those of you guys that don't know. LUT stands for Lookup Table. And essentially what it is a color preset of colors, preset of customization to change the image. Now that we got that out of the way, let's actually go about installing a LUT. Okay, so on DaVinci Resolve, they made it super easy. We'll go down here to this little gear icon. We'll click on it. This is where you'll probably start master settings. But what we need to go to is color management, okay? And then for color management, go down to lookup tables and then hit open LUT folder, okay? Even if you've never installed a LUT before, you will still have some LUTs in a LUT folder because by default, DaVinci Resolve comes with some LUTs. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I want to install new LUTs. Well, that's very easy. Like this folder right here, I actually created it myself. Literally just right click, hit new folder, and then name it whatever you want. And then after you create the new folder, all you have to do is go to wherever you downloaded your LUT from. You know, whatever folder you downloaded it to. I usually, if I'm downloading LUTs offline, I'll save them in the download folder. So in that case, I'd go to the download folder, just drag them into this new folder I made, and then that's all I have to do there. So I would just hit X there and then hit update list. Okay, it will update the list. And then, you know, I would just hit save. In this case, I'm going to hit cancel, but I would just hit save. And then one final step. That is all. And that is to come over here in the color tab and right click on your video. And then go to LUT. Yes, the LUT area. And then go to the folder you just made. In this case, I made this weird LUTs folder. Click on the LUT you want, and then it applies it. I know this is a crazy LUT. Don't worry, there are normal LUTs as well. If I don't want the LUT anymore, I can just reset the grid like normal. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to give you guys a tip, okay? This is a real useful tip. Now, I do have how to, you know, do adjustment clips. I have a whole different video on using adjustment clips, different scenarios. But for this, what you would want to do, easiest way is to actually go to effects. If you don't have this visible, just go to the effects tab up here, make it visible, adjustment clips, drag adjustment clip, make it as long as your, you know, timeline or however long you want the effect to be. Click on the adjustment clip, go back to the color tab, make sure your adjustment clip is selected, come over here, click on this like you normally would, making sure your adjustment clip is selected, and then pick the LUT that you want. And then as you see, your adjustment clip had the LUT on it. And your normal clip does not have the LUT on it. So then you can come back here and, see how it looks without and with the LUT. And yeah, that's about it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Hopefully this has helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.